Japan will change. Let's create a country where innovation is constantly happening, giving birth to new industries to lead the world. When I visit Silicon Valley, I want to think about how we can take Silicon Valley's ways and make them work in Japan. I believe it is important that we Japanese write a constitution for ourselves that would reflect the shape of the country we consider desirable in the 21st century. I promise to protect Japan's land and sea, and the lives of the Japanese people no matter what. I have experienced failure as a politician, and for that very reason, I am ready to give everything for Japan. The future of Japan's economic growth depends on us having the willpower and the courage to sail without hesitation onto the rough seas of global competition. For China to continue to enjoy economic prosperity, it needs to foster trusting international relationships, not tensions, and it is important for China to understand this. I often say to entrepreneurs, if Lehman Brothers were Lehman Brothers sisters, it wouldn't have gone into bankruptcy. I cannot be Prime Minister if I cannot make the best decisions for the people. It is gut-wrenching to have to leave my job before accomplishing my goals. I think it is the responsibility of anyone involved in politics to always think of what Japan can do to contribute more to the peace and stability not just of Japan and the region but of the entire world. Japan must become a place where women shine. Hope is most important factor for growth. The Senkaku Islands are inherently Japanese territory. I want to show my strong determination to prevent this from changing. It is my belief that politicians should not be stepping into the realm of history. Rather, politicians should be taking a future-oriented perspective. We are confident that we will continue to play an active role in national affairs without disappointing everyone's expectations. We must firmly and solidly stand upon the principle of action for action. A plan only makes sense when it is executed. If you mind criticism, I think you can't protect people's lives. I will never forget the fact that the peace and prosperity we are enjoying now was built on the sacrifice of your precious lives. Our predecessors overcame many troubles and much suffering, but each time got back up stronger than before. In a world that is deepening its mutual interdependence, inward-focused thinking is no longer able to safeguard the peace of Japan. We will fully defend the lives and assets of our nationals as well as our territory, territorial waters, and territorial airspace in a resolute manner.
To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive notifications of new videos. Thank you for viewing.